准备开始。
Hello everyone, I'm Li Chen from Focusight. This is our deep profile machine. This machine is for first sample proofreading and sampling process. Now I will show you our software. For this software, you can compare the PDF file and your sample imaging. Also, you can compare the sample images. Now I will show you the PDF comparing with the sample imaging. First, you can select your PDF, and then this will transfer to the imaging. Then the PDF imaging is here. Next, we need to capture. Air pump, start. Now the scanning is finished. After comparing, now all the defects is here. It marked with white. All the defects were showed here. And maybe if you think some defects you think is good, so the defect like this, you can double click, the marked red means it's defect. If you double click again, it hit green means good, and in the report it will mark with good. Also, you can check all the defects one by one from the list, and you can mark the defect with keyboard. Check and make decision. Left is NG, right is OK. For example, so NG is good. Then you can save and check your report. This is comparing with PDF and sample imaging. This is our proof machine. Thank you.